Okay, we're gonna continue situation 2 where we left. Basically, what we were saying was that we need to do the radius 100. And to obtain the center for the radius 100, we need to do subtraction. So 100 minus 25, which gives us 75, and we already did an arc of 75 over here, which is shown in red. Now the next step is 100 minus 30, which gives us 70. From here, I'm going to open 70. Where the two arcs intersect this particular point, I'm going to remove the remaining. As I said, you're only going to do arcs with the compass, no need to do a full circle. So these two arcs intersecting over here, it means that is the center for the arc 100 I need to do. Before I do the arc with the compass, I'm gonna draw a line as I did in situation 1 passing through the center, but this time the line, it has continue alright to the outside. Even here a line passing through the center, but this time it continues. These lines are called points of contact, which means the radius 100 I'm gonna do is gonna start from here and ends there. With the compass, you're gonna draw the arc from here till there, that is radius 100. I can write the measurement over here, and then to make it more visible you can enhance part of the circle of 25 and part of the other circle of 30 to make it more smooth and more realistic. Okay, so this is the second situation in this topic, which is subtraction. So what we can do when you write situation 2, we can do the sign for the plus, for the minus, sorry, subtraction, and situation 1 we can do the symbol for plus, which means this was done by doing addition. Okay, perfect. Situation 3 is gonna be made up from both situations. So to start up again, we're gonna draw two circles as we initially did. I'm gonna give you the measurements. Again, the circles are the small one 25 radius, the big one radius 30. Offset between one circle and another is 90 millimeter, and between the horizontal center line and the other horizontal is 20 millimeter. Okay, this particular center line is situated 55 or 56 millimeters away from the border, and this particular center line is 92 millimeter, or even 90 is good. Again, we're gonna measure 90 millimeter and 20 millimeter offset. Okay, perfect. So these measurements important to follow, so everything will fit in one A3 paper. Okay, so the first one again always 25, 30 radius, 90 and 20 millimeter offset. You're gonna start by measuring 56 and 92 millimeter from the title block, not from the border. Okay, situation 3, we have this particular arc of 70. If I draw the full circle, you will notice that this big circle of 70 is touching the 25 from the outside, and is touching the radius of 30. The 30 is on the inside of the 70. So to explain it better, the radius 25 is on the outside of the radius 70, and the radius 30 is on the inside. So if you understood the first two situations, the relation of the 70 and the 25 is addition, and the relation between the 70 and the 30 is subtraction. So how we're gonna do it? First thing we're gonna do 70 plus 25, which gives us 95. So from the 25, I'm gonna open compass radius 95. Okay? The other one, it is subtraction. So 70 minus 30, which gives us 40. So from the 30, I'm gonna open radius 40. Again, don't get confused with all these circles. All you need to do are these arcs where they intersect. Okay? So here we have the center for the radius 70. The center was found by doing addition with the radius 25 and subtraction with the radius 30. Now again, as we did in the previous exercises, we're going to draw a line from the center to the center of circle 1, and from this to from the circle to the center of the other circle. Here, this one we're going to extend it because the arc is going to pass from the outside. Again, these lines, which I'm doing them in green, in your case you're going to do them construction, are called the lines or the points of contact, where it shows the 70 from where it starts and from where it ends. Okay? When you have everything ready, you're going to open the compass 70. Okay? So here. So from open compass 70, from this point, from this center, you do from here till there. And then you can enhance the drawing as I did over here. You do outline part of the radius 30 circle, and over here you enhance part of the radius 25 circle. Okay? And that you have a situation where we use subtraction and addition. Here we're going to write situation 3. I'm going to do addition and subtraction. Okay? So basically, these are the initial notes to understand the principle for this topic. Now in the next lessons, we're going to do some designs involving one or more situations from what we did in this section. Okay? Take time to design these notes because very, very important. Understand and design properly. Make sure the compass is well sharpened and you have a proper presentation. Thank you.